babe, wanna leave this town. I'm saying, whatever, if you wanna go, I'm down. 'Cause I will make the biggest thing.
Yo, what is up, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be replacing the seat cover on the driver's side seat because, as you can see, it's pretty bad. Go ahead and get started on that and let y'all see some of the process. Alright, so here's the seat, fully in the car. I mean, there's still wrinkles in it and whatnot, but I think it looks better than it did before. The headrest is popping out in the back and I can't get it to stay, but it's staying on the headrest itself, so I'm gonna leave that. Next thing I wanted to get to was, well, first the shift knob. This is gonna be easy. Oops. Anyway, out with the old shift knob, got a new one. It does not fit exactly right. As you can see, there's how it's supposed to mount. There's a little indentation or notch in the middle, and so it doesn't fully go on. I'm just gonna have to like put a little groove in the middle of that somehow and get that to stay, but I like how that looks better than the stock one. I may buy a new shift boot along with e-brake cover and get that changed, but this center console is pretty rough, the lid to it, and I didn't realize the seat, the reupholstery kit for the seat came with a cover for that. So eventually, probably not now, I'm gonna be trying to reupholster the center console cover as well. But yeah, so be working on this. Got the seat installed. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I have this in here just because, as you can see, it's been sitting. I don't want moisture in here, so I've been putting these in here for the meantime while it's not being driven. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I still need to do the gaskets in this car. I do have those. I bought the oil pan gasket, valve cover gasket. Probably just gonna do the valve cover first, maybe oil pan. I do have new spark plugs. I'm gonna change out the spark plugs in this car just because I don't know how old they are. Do an oil change, and still need to do brakes, coilovers. See, there's a whole bunch I need to do to this car still, but yeah, that's just a little bit of the progress. I've got the seat done now, new shift knob, and gonna be working on this next. So yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.